Welcome back. In this lecture, we will elaborate on two broad classes of fuel cell stack configuration. In the first configuration, there is this design which is referred to as monopolar design. Here, the different cells of a stack are connected in parallel. And because the way to think about this is all these electrodes meet through a common current distributor. Therefore, the potentials are the same at all these points. So are the potentials at these points. So these cells are connected in parallel, and the currents from individual cell would add up. The meaning of monopolar versus bipolar will become clear in a minute. So for now, we will just stress that these cells are connected in parallel and the currents add up. It is possible to get more potential from this monopolar design by connecting different cells together. For example, this setup, wherein these cells are in parallel, this entire thing can be connected in series to this stack of cells and this stack of cells. In this way, we can not only build up current, we can also build up voltage by connecting these bunch of cells in series. So the voltage from here adds up to voltage from here, adds up to voltage from here. Both these things are form the monopolar design. In contrast to this, we have the bipolar design. So the first thing to notice in a bipolar design is we indicate only one current value. Therefore, the different cells are connected in series. Therefore, the voltages would add up. That is one aspect. But the more important aspect is the absence of wires in between these two cells. So in a typical cell, you need a wire to transfer current or electrons from one electrode, let's say anode, to the cathode, right? The current goes from anode, the conventional current goes from anode to cathode through an external wire. As opposed to that, in a bipolar design, there are no external wires. If reduction takes place on one side of a bipolar electrode, oxidation would occur in the other side of a bipolar electrode. So this is a very, very interesting design wherein there are no external wires between these two plates, these two sides of a particular plate. So on one side, it appears like an anode. On the other side, it appears like a cathode. So there are a lot of material challenges that are associated with the design of bipolar plates. But having said that, this is a very interesting configuration wherein these external wires are eliminated to connect these two sides of the bipolar plate. In the next lecture, we will look at some basic construction and component of fuel cell stack. Thank you.